final graduate from the senior high school. This year's highest academic achiever is Junbils J. Biol from 12 STEM 2A grade. Let's all give them a round of
All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them by Walt Disney. This is the day that I've been looking forward to. Kaso, wala po akong makita dahil lalabo na ng mata ko ngayon. Kidding aside, may napanood po akong isang tutorial sa YouTube upang hindi raw ako kabahan. Kapag magsasalita sa harap ng maraming tao, ay kailangan ko raw isipin na ang aking tagapakinig ay mga patatas. Yes, potatoes. Kaya kahit hindi ko na kayo makita, dahil sa ating distansya, at kahit gaano pa po gwapo at kaganda ang mga suot nyo, ay para sa akin, ngayong araw, ay mga patatas na po kayo. Pasensya na po. I hope you are having a pleasant day. Fellow students, teachers, honorable guests, hardworking staffs, school administrators, and proud parents. Now, graduates, I am Junbils, your fellow Eclarian. First of all, I would like to congratulate everyone, as well as me, that despite all crises our country experienced, such as virus, inflation, ulan at init na grabe, at sasabayan pa ng mga pabuhat nating kaklase. Ay nandito tayo ngayon at magtatapos na, kahit palakpakan naman natin ang bawat isa. Nag-graduate na tayo! As I spent my senior life here at Eclario Academy, I encountered some students that deferred their dreams due to different personal circumstances. May mga panganay po sa atin na kailangan muna magtrabaho para makatulong sa kanilang mga magulang. Ngunit sa hirap ng buhay ay kailangan nilang magparaya at pag-aralin ang kanilang mga kapatid. Consequently, it leads to their dreams being unachieved. Dahil dito, minsan, napapatanong ko ang aking sarili na, masama ba? Masama ba na ipagpaliban mo na ang pagkamit sa pangarap? For me, no. No, and it will never be. There are times that obligations contradict our ambitions. Thus, we have to learn how to handle both of our obligations and ambitions at the same page with equal care and attention. Maraming mag-aaral ang nagsasabi na, "Hay! Nakakapagod naman mag-aaral. Huwag na kaya ako pumasok bukas." Saan pumasok ako? And that's true. Nangyayari ito. At madalas pa nagsasabi nito, pasok sa with honors katulad ko. Learning is tiring, and life itself is a continuous process of learning. Normal ang mapagod at huminto. Pansamantala. Take note of the word pansamantala or temporary in English. Pansamantala sa pagkamit ng mga pangarap. Alam ko na alam mo na kahit sa aspeto ng pag-ibig, kapag ang isang bagay ay labis nating pinipilit, ay sakit lamang ang dulot at kailanman ay hindi magiging worth it. Pero tandaan na ang pahinga ay kapag kailangan lang natin. Huwag mong kalimutan na may pangarap ka pa rin, dapat natutuparin. Ika nga ni Dantes sa larong League of Legends, a dream only dies when you stop fighting for it. Parang sa pag-ibig lang din. Jowa mo nga, pero pinaglaban ka ba? The more I reminisce about my past, the more it feels surreal that I am here in front of you. Let me tell you about a boy who dreamed of giving an elementary graduation speech. He was an average student compared to his peers. He worked hard, tried, and failed. He received a 76 grade in MAPE. The boy was neither an artistic nor a music-oriented student. Hindi siya makadrawing ng maganda, wala rin siya sa tono kung kumanta. At ginawa niyang lahat ng kanyang makakaya. Unsurprisingly, that boy is me. Back when I was in grade 6. It was a case of a dream that was deferred. Back then, I thought it was impossible to achieve this dream. Naranasan ko ang paghihirap at nag-fail. Nevertheless, here I am talking in front of you. That boy back then would never have imagined this scenario happening. Ika nga nila, nothing is impossible. But such things are improbable. Anything could happen in this world with a great amount of dedication, time, and hard work. Together with a small opportunity, too small to notice, but will change our life the other way around. Then with all those things combined, everything will be set in place and fate will naturally roll its own course. Despite of all those personal struggles that I mentioned, here we are, done with senior high school. Some of us are still experiencing the stressful days of college entrance tests, and some have finished already. ALM, kumusta na? Whatever struggle you are facing at the moment, your silent struggles that were taken for granted will not be in vain. Life itself is full of golden opportunities, yet full of uncertainties that will make or break the dreams you aspire. Everyone starts from being average, and I believe, similar to my story, everybody has a chance to achieve greatness in life. Whatever mistakes we might commit, these are opportunities for us to learn and improve. If there is something important that we learn today, remember to never let your dreams die. Huwag panghihinaan ang loob kung hindi ito ang makakamtan ngayon. Alam natin mahirap ang buhay at hindi magiging huli ang lahat para abutin ito. Abutin man kayo maraming taon as long as maaabot natin ito. This moment will not be possible without the help of my teachers here in Claro Academy, especially my advisors, Mr. Michael Sakdalan, and someone who shall not be named due to his preference of anonymity, Mr. J. Mr. J and Mr. Sakdalan, thank you and sorry po dahil minsan ay naging pasaway po kami. To all my coaches, starting from spelling, Ms. Arian Cabasan and Mr. Jessry Cantuampo, maraming salamat po sa tiwala at suporta na ibinigay niyo po sa amin kahit busy po kayo. Congratulations din po, Sir Jess, and busy ka na! Sa science naman, Mr. Brian Pipito, Mr. Gilbert de la Peña, Mr. J, and Miss Jillian Balzano. Thank you so much po. Despite of your busy schedule, ay nagawa niyo pa rin po kaming turuan, not only for science, pati na rin po sa mga tips and advices for college. To the teachers that helped me revise my speech, Mr. Mark Joseph Lemontad and Teacher Jean, thank you so much. To my closest friends here in Claro Academy, especially the one that has a Discord of Homeverse, group chats like www, college updates, and night talks, thank you so much for the laughters and memories you created. Huwag niyo sana waste lang sa future, ha? To my colleagues in OJT, especially some people here in STEM 6 and STEM 7, 8. Nakalala ko ba yun, pagbagsak na sa akin ang class 20 sa ulo kayo. Moreover, I am thankful for my parents and families' unwavering support. Higit sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po ako sa Panginoong may kapal sa buhay at biyaya na ibinigay niya sa amin. Lastly, Batch 2024, Let me provide you with a Latin proverb that translates to, through thorns to the stars, to the heavens and abyss. May we persevere and endure the hardships we will endure. I wish you all greatness in life. Thank you.
Thank you, June Bills, and congratulations.